My name is Mayowa Owolabi. I'm CEO at PaddyCover, and we're an insurance technology company, yeah, with a global focus, but starting from Nigeria.
Are you talking to me? No, you.
So what we do with PaddyCover is digitizing and distributing insurance. And we started after I and my co-founder had issues getting insurance in the country. So for me, my daughter was ill. We went to the hospital early in the morning, and our HMO was torn down, and I had to pay out of pocket. And I didn't like paying out of pocket. I was looking for an insurance company I could sign up with, and they told us to pay for the whole year. And I was looking for one that I could pay per month, per week, or stuff, and there was none. So our friend started something called Reliance HMO that allowed people to pay per month, and I think we were the first in Nigeria, and we latched onto that, and now started looking at other things that we could do. So pay small, car, house, all those kinds of insurance, and we started from there. And in 2020, March 2nd, we started full-time with Safe Buddha, the largest motorcycle taxi company in Africa. And by May, we have sold over 11,000 policies to them. And the business has been growing since then. We've been looking for other verticals of bundling insurance and embedding insurance to get more people into the bracket for insurance. In Nigeria, insurance is sold, it's not bought. Nobody goes to go and buy, but people sell it, and we battle against the largest insurance company in Africa, Blood of Jesus Incorporated, because everybody says, I'm covered by the blood. I'll pay my pastor, I'll pay my imam, I'll pay somebody to pray for me. Nothing will happen to me, so I don't need insurance. And that's what we're battling against. So share of wallet, share of mind. Share of wallet and share of mind. Those are the cultural things and macroeconomic factors that are battling or befalling insurance in the country. So it's hard when you look at it and say, why should I go and pay this amount of money when I haven't eaten, or when there's this need presently? So that one is there. Then culture and mindset. So with what we're doing now, we are bundling insurance, working with aggregators, underwriters, brokers, and co to digitally distribute insurance in the country. So work with them, take their offerings, break it down, make it affordable for people to pay, and put it and bundle it with their lifestyle touch points, like, you are taking an Okada ride, or you're taking a motorcycle ride, or you're sending a package, you're taking a bus trip, and we bundle insurance onto it, so you're covered.
Really? Do I really care?
It's because we're working with trusted parties. It's going well. Although the how will I put it? The pathway to conversion is long, but they're taking it well. Like, for example, we have TZT now. Once you have TZT, you can get home content insurance by just paying your internet subscription per month. You get insurance. So working with people like that, trusted insurance. So those are the kind of things that are working, because we're a low trust society. So working with people that you trust or the customers trust in order to distribute insurance.
Do you mean you don't give a damn?
We've done the initial tests, which we did in 2020. We validated the market, validated the product, we validated distribution. We are on to it now. We are on expansion and growth. And we are also looking at, we've already started the process of getting our own microinsurance license, so we can better serve the market. Jobs. With the brokers we're working with and agents, at least we're empowering over 5,000 of them. Those are brokers and people that will sell for us, boots on ground. We have a small workforce physically for the business in the office, but we've empowered a lot more people, as it were.
But wait a minute.
People like Turaco, Octamile, ETAP, who else? A couple of insurance companies, Tangerine as well. Those are the competitors. The now digital aware incumbents now, like Tangerine and AXA Mansard, those are the competitors.
I care.
Market is very large. Market is very, very large and underserved. It's not everybody that we can serve. It's not everybody that we will serve. So yes, competition is welcome. Just like you have multiple bank accounts, you have multiple insurance providers.
With all these errands, do this, do that, every day.
So, share of culture, one. Getting people to start seeing insurance as not a scam, as something that is actually needed. Macroeconomic factors like inflation, low earning power. All those are the challenges that we're facing. But other than that, it's a business. We have to solve a problem, and we are solving it.
Every day at home and outside, I hold a duty to self to care. I know why I'm here.
Policies are there. Some of the policies are outdated, but working with what we have and making the best of what we have. Like I said, if life hands you lemons, make lemonade. We are making the best of what we have, and we're also trying to work with the regulator. We know some of the challenges they're facing. We know what is there in the market. We can't just say, "Oh, this regulation is this regulation is that." I mean, if we continue that way, we won't make any progress. So that's why we are also getting a license, and we're doing the technology bit that we're doing with the underwriters.
Why I'm here.
A review of the policies, a review of the laws. One, maybe better. I don't know how to put it. They should encourage innovation in this. We should look at what obtains in a lot of other places, and we should get the regulator to see how they can help. Like in, I think, is it France? They allow you use your life insurance to get a loan or a mortgage. Here, your life insurance is just there. You should be able to, with your your policies, insurance policy, access other things. Like now they're saying, oh, with your pension, you can access mortgage. With your insurance, you should be able to access other financial products and services. And that is where we are going to. The market size, number one. And the people that are there that have money, they don't have two heads. Me too, I have one head like them. I want to make it. And I want to also solve that challenge. The problem that I faced, and my co-founder faced when we started, I know it's still there. There are a lot of people facing it, and I want to solve it and be compensated for solving that problem.
It is my prerogative to fulfill.
Role models come and go. Every now and then, somebody you think is good becomes bad or something, but there are other people, there are companies I can say that have been there for a while, like AXA Mansard, Allianz, Munich Re. Those companies I look at. But for people, not really, my Lord Jesus Christ. Not really. People will always fall your hand. There are people, the people that are here and are making money here, they are staying here, they're not making it from abroad. So why should I go? If I go, I become a second-class citizen, and the problems that I'm solving here don't exist in other places. So why go? Dangote is still here. I mean, people that are running for president, I want to be president here, they're not going to rule from Dubai or London. So, I mean, they are saying something that, I should see. Moving away is a short-term solution. It's not a long-term solution. So we should stay here. There are a lot of things that we can solve. I mean, so staying here is the option for me. It's getting better. They are trying to make some changes. I hope in the coming couple of months or years, things will change for the better. But I mean, as it is, I'm making best of what is available. There's still a lot of business for traditional insurance companies. They insure government staff, insure big corporations and co. Yeah, there's still a future for them. But we are coming up as the digitally enabled insurer of the future. And yes, we'll challenge them, but that challenge is not going to be today or tomorrow. It's not even going to be in maybe 3 or 4 years' time. It take a while, And by then, maybe one of them will say, these guys are coming. They're already eating out of my cake. Let me buy them.
Is something really wrong with my channel?
Yes, nobody's going to take any company with them to heaven or hell, So if you make me an offer that is good and you buy it, oh, well and good. I take my money and I go and start a farm or something.
I'll be too young to leave.
First thing is work for somebody first. That's the best advice. Work for somebody, learn the ropes, then you can now start a side hustle, validate it, then now move out to go and do something else. Not that you just jump out and say, yes, I have this great idea, it's good to do something, it's going to be next best thing. I don't advise that you do that immediately. So work for somebody, learn the ropes, learn the business, make your contacts, then now branch out and do your own thing. There's a very, very huge market. There are over 200 million people in Nigeria, over 96.4 million adults. There's a vast market. There's a particular company that does 1.7 trillion naira every month in transactions, and there are others, and that's just one of several. You can be that as well. In the insurance industry, look at a lot of the unclaimed premiums and insurance business that you can do. Just imagine insuring 1 million people, retail customers, every year. There's a lot. So yeah, there's a huge market here.
Yeah, in some opinions, we're lazy doors.
We're making progress. Next 2 years, we hope to be doing possibly well over $1 million per month in assets under management and in premiums sold. But we are getting there small.
Not measuring up to the good.
We hope that everything turns out well for all of us.
Like yesterday's ingenuity of Isaac Newton, Albert Einstein.
Thomas Edison that shaped today.
Under leadership of Gandhi, Nkrumah, Mother Teresa, Abraham Lincoln, Nelson Mandela,
And Martin Luther King, who had a dream.
the bravery of Funmilayo Kuti, Bob Marley.
Can we fella show you come on where to live?
I'm going to Lana, Biola, who died for Nigeria.
There's life of things that need to give or take.
It is my prerogative to fulfill.
And I'm attitude gratitude, integrity, kindness, service to
Humanity. Oh, it's my life.
It's my life. Today I'm marked and cowed by my joblessness with heavy education.